Chloe Monkians. We are going over the things that I bought. This includes my wig, and all of these links will be in the description below. Very simple, very easy. This is just a run through, and I give you an idea of what they feel like. My leggings, which were already pre-bought. They were kind of in my closet already, so. And tears are natural wear and tear, so all natural. And the shoes that I did not make that I bought. So, let's go to on-screen ebook. Here we go. The leggings are, they're just regular leggings. Mine got natural holes in them just from wear and tear, so I won't worry about cutting holes in them because they're going to tear anyway. So, I got those like a long time ago. So, that was in the closet. I did not make these. Before I go into this, I did not make this, but I ordered it off of a website. I'll put it in the link below. When I received these, they broke the second I put them on. They broke really, really bad. But they refunded me. They do have nice customer service. But I also picked a rush order. So if you are going to do this, do not pick the rush order. Do not do that. Because with this heat and everything, it has a high chance of the glue not fully setting. So you want to make sure you do that. But I fixed them. So I did fix it. Ta-da! Here they are. See, what happened was right here, you can see where they're disconnected and stuff. So what I did is that same glue I used on the rest of my cosplay, I stuck it in here, got a C-clamp, and I squished the shoe to make pressure. And I took it off after 24 hours, tested it, moved it around, and then I put it in there, some more glue in there again, and then I put the C-clamp on there again for 24 hours per shoe. So total of 48 hours with pressure, because that's what they're going to do in the factory. So you could do the same exact thing. And I wore these all night tonight, and they did not break at all. I fixed them. So you can do that if that does happen. So like I said, when I received them, I put them on, and then they broke, and I was really, really upset because it was the day before the convention. So I didn't get to wear them. But I had them. But I fixed them, and now they work perfectly. They're great. They're a little uncomfortable. As you can see, they don't make a big enough heel for my fat butt. Because I am very big, and I need a better heel than that. But they're pretty accurate. They're not too bad. I mean, they're missing a few details, like the red stripes right here. But I can just go in and do that later. And then this should actually be white. But just little nitpick stuff. But generally, really good. So, as I said, I'll put a link down below. Now, y'all are going to meet a friend of mine. This I also bought. It was free shipping. I don't know if it's free shipping anymore. But it was decently priced. It turned out to be only $33. Got here faster than expected. It's, sorry, it's kind of messy. I wore it. I just wore it not too long ago. But the cool thing about this, these clip off. Isn't that cool? They just clip right on. Ta-da! The pink does it too. But anyway, this wig, I'll put it down in the description below where I bought it. Very nice quality. It came in beautiful packaging. It got here faster. This wasn't supposed to be here till the end of the month, and it got here in the middle of July. And I'm like, oh, wow. So, I'm very, very satisfied with it. I did have to restyle it a little bit only because they recommend it, and it wasn't that hard because, like I said, it was already pre-styled. I just had to take it out, brush it a little bit, and put it back up. But all I have to do is brush it, and it doesn't tangle that easy, actually. See? I'm actually just brushing straight through. It's very, very nice. As you can see, it doesn't shine too much on the camera. It's really nice. It's a great wig. I definitely recommend buying from these people. It's worth it. And it's adjustable on the inside, and it comes with the wig cap, so yay! I believe that covers everything. I hope y'all enjoyed these tutorials. I'm glad I redid this costume. I'm really glad. Because the other one was my first time attempting how to cosplay in general. So I was really proud of myself, but I'm definitely proud of myself now because this one turned out 10 times better. I'm really proud of it. It did an amazing job. I feel better about it. So, well, that is it. Please hit like and subscribe if you like this, and I also have a Patreon available too. If y'all want to go sign up there, you can unlock exclusive content. It will be right here in the eye. Should pop up now. And please sign up on that, and you can get videos early, and I have a raffle going and a whole bunch of other stuff going on. So check out my Patreon page, and you know, $1 goes a long way. So I hope to see y'all soon, and that is basically it. Happy cosplaying! He's Fred. I got the guy for a surprise video coming in the future. So, meet Fred. My only head mannequin I got. Color looks pretty good on him though. He's a little pale, but now, let's see. What do y'all want to see next? Oh. Now we put Fred down.